Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Vauxhall remote key fob. What we need to do is remove this cover here so we can gain access to the battery. At the bottom of the fob, you can just see a small indentation just there. Just enough room so you can put your flat-headed screwdriver in and use this point here as a lever to open the case. I'll just demonstrate. There you go. And there is your key fob battery. We just get our smaller screwdriver and we just simply remove it from its housing. Like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time to pop it back together. So we get the other half of the case, make sure everything is lined up, and just click it back together. And there you go, it's all done.